This is Megan, right? And that's Shannon. That's Shannon over here. And we're just about to watch an experiment. So I'm getting really excited now. Yes. Hello. And like this is like really cool. So we're just gonna watch. What are we, Megan? We're just gonna watch. Right, here we go.
Okay.
This is that's this one, right? Right.
Right, what we're going to do two things. First thing we're going to do is we're going to set fire to our solution. Now, what's going to happen is it's going to react and it's going to start burning. Are you videoing?
No. Sorry.
Are you ready then?
No.
Shannon, take your time.
Are you happy? Right then. So first of all, set fire to our solution. There we go. We're on fire. Next, we put in.
Oh, I ran out of battery. No. Do it again. I need to put an entire thing in. Okay. Yeah, that's very easy.
Boof.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm just going to make the part.
I see that.